I wanted to write something about how it feels to come home and how you kind of start to understand what home means to you once you've been out. You know, it's like you don't really know what you've got until you leave it. And so that's what this song is kind of about. It's called Borderline.
Late night, burn inside, lights all over the water. Weekends with friends, meeting their sons and their daughters. Somebody asked if I feel tired. I always wanted this kind of life. I'll do it forever. Baby, the best is out on the borderline. You can't know love till you're alone. Maybe the rest will all work out with time. But one thing that I know, you gotta leave to come back home. Skipped town, found out escape was never the issue. Holidays can't stay if you want somebody to miss you. Nobody's smart enough to regret, too smart to forget. I don't know any better. Baby, the best is out on the borderline. You can't know love till you're alone. Maybe the rest will all work out with time. The one thing that I know, you gotta leave to come back home. You gotta leave to come back home. Jared May, show him something. Give it up for Jared May on the bass. Baby, the best is out on the borderline. You can't know love till you're alone. Maybe the rest will all work out with time. One thing that I know, you gotta leave to come back home. Gotta leave to come back home. Gotta leave to come back home.
Thank you so much.
Sarah and I have been doing this for 10 years, and we dated for the first six. Not for the last four. The best years of our career, someone would say. I do feel.
Best years of our lives.
Best years of our lives. I would like to say I do feel that the only thing better than dating someone in your band is dating no one in your band. Sorry, Jared.
Jared doesn't have a chance with either of us now. We've learned our lessons. Yeah, it's crazy when you're just suddenly forced into small spaces together and dealing with very stressful things. And yeah, it's hard to keep the romance alive.
With that being said, this is a song that Sarah's girlfriend says is our most hetero song. So you guys can figure.
And that's where it came from.
You
It
guys
came from
can
when I
judge
was
on that.
dating men. Also, you have like foam all over your mustache. You're gonna. Now
Listen.
it's on the bottom.
Listen, guys, I'm California Creamin'. I saw a beer on the list back there. It said California Creamin'. I was like, that's me. I will be drinking that tonight. So I don't know. We just gonna have to keep
Fixing
with
your
it.
mustache now.
Here we go. Fierce as an animal with a hunger for expanse. You gotta love
We got time for a few more songs. Let's zoom into this next one.
Zoom on through.
This is something that Sarah and I both want a place to go back to at some point. We can't keep living in vans and in our friends' attics and stuff. And
Yeah, your
You want a
van
house.
situation is particularly.
yeah, that's not a
Bad.
word here topic though. This is called House by the River.
Jared wants to talk about that. Decided to stay there. We're hoping that we can have something, a nice place to go home to. So we thought that we've always used music as a way to manifest what we want in our lives. And so with this song, we thought if we sang this song every night like prayer, we could kind of bring it a little closer to us each time we sang it. So it's called House by the River.
Another town that we're leaving. Another friend says goodbye. I've been wondering, is this all a simulation? With every mile that we drive. Where is the prize we were promised? Where is the key to the door? Manifesting our destiny without asking, who are we doing it for? Let's build 4 walls in the forest. Write a few songs with our friends. I think we've done enough running. Take me down to the house by the river. Take me home. I'm leaving my hands get dirty. I'm ready to become overgrown. Maybe a moment without modern stimulation. Sleeping in bed that I own. Let's build 4 walls in the forest. Write a few songs with our friends. I think we've done enough running. Take me down to the house by the river. Take me home. Take me home. Take me home. Take me home. Let's build 4 walls in the forest. Write a few songs with our friends. I think we've done enough running. Take me down to the house by the river. Let's build 4 walls in the forest. Write a few songs with our friends. I think we've done enough running. Take me down to the house by the river. Take me down to the house by the river. Take me down to the house by the river. Take me home.
Thank you guys so much. So this next song we're gonna play is one that I wrote about growing up. So I grew up in the Episcopal Church. I grew up religious. It wasn't like super strict or crazy or anything, but it still, as I got older, I was kind of like, personally for me, organized religion is not for me. It's not for me. It's not the thing for me. It's not the thing that makes me feel connected. But I do believe in some sort of higher power or something that's guiding us, and I just think I have a little bit more of a Unitarian idea of what that looks like. But what I do know is that we are all here to have some sort of purpose, and I know that this is mine. I know that music is the way that I feel the closest to the thing that binds us all, and it's what I'm here to do. And so this song is kind of about that experience. It's called Dancing in the Aisles. When I was raised in folk, singing sweet songs to the Lord, never thought to ask anyone why. All I knew, I had a soul, and these notes made most of the moment that we know, just in case there's not a spirit in the sky. So hallelujah, hallelujah. Go and worship what makes you feel alive. What we're made of is what will save us. What will save us? What will save us? I just wanna sing these sweet songs till I die. Thank you guys so much.
So we have one more song to play for you. We will be back in town March 8th. We don't have a venue yet, but would you come back and see us right here in this venue if they would book us March 8th? All right, we'd love to come back.
You guys are seriously like the best crowd we've had on this tour. So if you guys want to come see us in Tucson on Saturday, we're going to be down there. What's the name of the venue? The Tucson venue?
Rhythm Factory Industry Listening Room.
Rhythm Factory Industry Listening Room.
It's all those words in some order.
We'll also be selling merch right over there. Every little bit helps, y'all. It's been kind of a crazy tour. We've been broken into. Jared had all his stuff stolen, so every little bit of merch really, really helps right now. Thank you guys so much for listening. Jennifer Knapp's up next. The song's called Ain't Give It Up Tonight.
It's a song about never being too old to stay up all night with your friends.
My friend told me a Saturday she was in bed by 9. Said she missed her crazy days. I'm still living mine. Couldn't help feel a bit of regret hidden in the cracks of the words she said. Now I'm standing here with a drink in my hand, wondering who's got it right. Maybe I should give it up, but I ain't giving up tonight. It's 2 a.m., here I am again, just having the time of my life. Maybe I should give it up, but it's too late this time. I'm gonna give it up, but I ain't giving up tonight. I've been known to knock back so early in my teens. When I think of the things I've done, well, it all feels like a dream. Maybe I've been going soft, wondering where the time crept off. Should I keep trying to beat the clock or finally settle down? Maybe I should give it up, but I ain't giving up tonight. It's 4 a.m., me and my friends got that crazy look in our eyes. Maybe I should give it up, but it's too late this time. I'm gonna give it up, but I ain't giving up tonight. Am I falling behind? Am I dimming my light? Or is it me that's got it right? Is it me that's got it right? Maybe I should give it up, but I ain't giving up tonight. It's 6 a.m.